This question is to calculate the total amount of wax consumed from a burning candle over a specific time period. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. A candle burns at a variable rate given by b of t equals 4 times the natural logarithm of the fraction t over 2 plus 1 in units of grams per hour. Here t represents the number of hours since the candle was lit. How much wax, in grams, is consumed during the first 6 hours? First step, we recognize the setup. We are asked for the total wax consumed, which is the integral of the burning rate from 0 to 6. In words, this means integrate 4 times the natural logarithm of the fraction t over 2 plus 1 with respect to t from 0 to 6. Next step is substitution. We make the substitution u equals t divided by 2 plus 1. Then the differential dt equals 2 do. When t equals 0, u equals 1. When t equals 6, u equals 4. With this substitution, the integral becomes 8 times the integral of the natural logarithm of u with respect to u from 1 to 4. Then, next step, we evaluate the integral. The integral of the natural logarithm of u with respect to u is equal to u times the natural logarithm of u minus u. Applying this to our bounds, we get 8 times the following. At u equals 4, we have 4 times the natural logarithm of 4 minus 4. At u equals 1, we have 1 times the natural logarithm of 1 minus 1, which simplifies to negative 1 since the natural logarithm of 1 is 0. So the difference is the expression at u equals 4 minus the expression at u equals 1. That is 4 times the natural logarithm of 4 minus 4 minus negative 1. Simplifying gives 4 times the natural logarithm of 4 minus 3. Multiplying by 8 gives 8 times the quantity 4 times the natural logarithm of 4 minus 3. After that, next step is to simplify. This expands to 32 times the natural logarithm of 4 minus 24. Since the natural logarithm of 4 is equal to 2 times the natural logarithm of 2, this further simplifies to 64 times the natural logarithm of 2 minus 24. Final answer. The amount of wax consumed is 64 times the natural logarithm of 2 minus 24 grams. Common pitfall. Students often forget to adjust both the bounds and the differential when making the substitution. Always change the bounds and the differential together when substituting in an integral. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.